There are three reasons why I like this ceramic coffee mug. First of all, the packaging is fantastic. It comes in this box, which looks nice, even says to someone special on top. And then when you open it up, you can easily see how well it's packaged. It has this foam on top, and then look how well the mug is protected. This is important. We've had some products come to us recently where the ceramic was broken and it was terrible. The second thing that I like about it is the feel of the mug. It's got a good weight to it. I don't like flimsy coffee cups. This one's got a good weight to it, and it looks good. And then most of all, it makes a great gift. We have some friends who recently lost their dog, and so we are going to gift this. I mean, what can you say when somebody loses someone they love, or a pet, or a family member? Just say I'm sorry. And this mug communicates that so well. I recommend it.